Are you tired of waking up with those nagging aches and pains? Well, you're going to want to hear this. Meet the new version of the Zinus 12-inch green tea memory foam mattress. This isn't just a bed, it's a total sleep upgrade. With its patented zone pressure relief, it literally cradles your body, especially if you're a side sleeper struggling with hip or shoulder tension. The best part? It's infused with natural green tea and purified charcoal to keep things smelling fresh for years. Plus, it's completely fiberglass-free and CertiPUR-US certified, so you can breathe easy knowing your sanctuary is safe. It even ships in a smaller, eco-friendly box. Talk about a win-win for you and planet. Right now, there's a massive 28% discount, bringing it down to just $283 for a limited time. Seriously, don't miss out. Check the link in the description to grab this deal before it's gone. If this helped you, hit that like button, share with a tired friend, and subscribe for more honest reviews.